How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video today. We got a 2011 Audi S5 Premium Plus convertible. The top works. Go ahead and do our quick walk around videos. Top's in great shape. Overall body's clean. Interior's really good shape. I'd say there's only a couple little scratch there. Up here you can kind of see a little clear coat fade up here by the bumper. Hood's in good shape. Check out the interior. We just serviced it. It drives really well. As you can see, the inside, the beautiful leather seats in great shape. This is the 3.0 V6 supercharged engine in this. And it's pretty loaded up, so it comes with navigation, backup camera, heated and cooled seats. And it has 139,000 miles. Start her up. If it's something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us or shoot us an email. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and thank you for checking out this video. And if you have any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche, or other foreign or domestic luxury vehicle that needs repair work, we got a shop. Definitely give us a shout.